Hey guys, how's it going? So translation bot for free, you don't have to pay anything. So here we go. So the first thing, open developer portal for Discord, new application, name your bot. I'll name it translation bot YT. Create. Then let's go to there's nothing to change over here. Then let's go to bot. Okay, and then over here, remember to toggle on this privileged gateway intents. Those are very important, or else your bot won't work. So that's done. Saving. Okay, done. Let's go to URL generator. Okay, there's nothing to change over here, so don't worry about it. Let's go to URL generator, and then let's click on bot. Where is it? Over here, bot. And then send message, read message history on this. And I need this because basically everything is reading the text and then giving a translation of it. So that's all the permissions we need. And let's copy this link and let's close this. I'm inviting the bot, and then okay, this is done. Okay, that's the server done, and the bot is on my server now. Hopefully, maybe. Okay, yeah, it's there. Good. So now let's close it over here. Bot. We can take the token now, but we'll wait for that. Let's go to files. Let me delete this. Create a new one. Translation bot. Okay. Click enter it. Let's go to command and then code dot. That will open up my VS Code. You can use whatever ID you want. I prefer VS Code. So two files we need, main.py and the other one would be .env. Let's create that .env. Okay, so let's put the token over here, token. Okay, next let's go copy the token. Yes, this is my code. Next, copy. Let's go back and paste it. Don't worry about it, I've changed it, so no need to worry about it. And now let's start coding now. So import Discord, import OS, and import from Google Trans. This is the library that we are going to use. Google Trans, import translator. Next, let's go for .env because we have an env file. To read an env file, we'll need this. Main import load .env. Okay, that's good. Now the intents. So this part is very important. You need to do everything that I've done over here. Intents equals to discord.intents.default. Right. Okay, now this part is very important. To get the contents of a message, you need to do this, or else you get nothing. Your content, a message.content will be empty. Equals to true. Next, let's say client equals to discord.inClient. Okay, intents equal to intents. Right. Okay, that's done for the intents. Now let's connect it. Let's get the onReady function. Not this. Okay, so I had to change a little bit, but yeah, starting from here again at the client.event async def onReady function. I'm calling it. Then I'll print it in the console or the terminal, whatever you call it. We logged in as curly braces 0.user. Now let's connect it. Let's run the bot. Load.env, get env. Okay, token. Now let's client.run and the token. So far this is just boilerplate. If you want to make any bot that is not using slash commands, this is the boilerplate for it. This is a very basic things you need to even run the bot. So yes, we are logged in. Let's go to a site, server, and yeah, it's online. Bot is online. Let's go back, close it, stop the bot, and then we'll start with the coding now. So before here, what we are going to do, so client.event, after this we are going to do is take reactions. Like I have sent a message, and for you to translate that message, you need to send a flag of the country that language is usually associated with. So I'm over here, I'm going to take the reaction. So it's on at reaction, if reaction.emoji. I'm going to get the emoji code from it. Like if it's USA flag, the flag of USA, it will just give me US as the code, emoji code. That's how Discord works. So over here, oh by the way, let's bring in the dictionary I have made of the languages. So this is the code, Discord emoji code, and this is the language it is associated, that country is usually associated with. And there are 74 or something like that, so it's a huge section to choose from. So feel free to add if you want more. So if not, I'm checking if the emoji, if the flag or the language exists. So over here, let's do language.get reacted emoji. So I'm checking over here if the reacted emoji exists within the language library, I mean the dictionary I have got. So if it does not exist, then I will just await message.channel.send. Language not added. Next, else. Now comes the main part of it, the translation part. So the first thing we are going to take is the selected language. So how are we going to get the language? Similarly, from like we are going to get the the languages.get reacted emoji. We are going to get the value from it, not the key. The key are the code for the emojis from Discord. So now we are going to select the message that the user is trying to translate. So str, we are going to use str because that's what the the library Google Trans takes in, accepts. So reaction.message.content, and then let's do trans. Okay, we are going to call the translator that we imported. Translator is equals to translator. Okay, then yeah, so send message is the message that the bot is going to send to us, to the let's just say it's the translated message. So translator dot translate. Now it's going to go send message, like the text, the original message that I want to translate. Here will send message, comma, and the destination, like it's the language that I want to translate the message to. So it's going to be selected language. Okay, that's done almost. So await reaction dot message dot channel dot send send message, the one that we got over here, the translated message. That's it. The bot should work right now. So this is the main part, translator.translate. That's the main everything. Okay, so don't forget to add .text over here. They have changed it a bit. Okay, so yeah, let's run the bot then. And yeah, my bot is online. Let's go check it out then. We are logged in. Fine. Yep, it's online. Bot testing. Let's just type this is our test. Let's try to translate this to German. Works fine. Let's try another one. The bot works good. Let's get it to Korean. Okay, so let's just see if it's working correctly or not. You know what I mean? So we're going to copy this. The bot works exactly the same. So that's it. If you want the language file, then I'll attach it to the description of this video, and this is the full code over here. You can pause it over here and just copy it. I will add this language dictionary over here to readme. This is the file that I'm going to make it available to you guys, and also I'm going to add the other dependencies that you have to install. So that's it. Hope you guys have liked the video. I'll see you guys on the next one, and if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll definitely help you guys out. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you want to, or do it next time. Thank you so much.